Hello everyone. I welcome you all to our channel Learning Lab, where you can learn without limits. This platform will teach you how to maximize your efficiency in the best possible way. Right now we are going to start with previous year question of MP PSC. We'll go into further details that why we are starting with this. Before that, let me give you a brief detail about myself and why you should prefer this channel or other channels. Okay, so I am Hema Sinha, graduate and masters from Delhi University in Economics Honors. So this has been my background since past 8 years and I have already appeared for Indian Economic Services mains twice, and based upon my experience I will be starting with economics subject itself. Although okay, and I can understand that for many of you this subject can be very difficult, but I'll try to make it as easy as possible. And another reason to start with economics is to teach you how to eat the frog. Like, eat the frog means you have to start with difficult subject first and then leave alone the easy part for the later part where you have less time and you don't have to put much effort into it. Okay, so what we'll be going to do, we'll be giving you all the details and all the questions, previous year questions and their answers in English, because we know that there is a lot of content crunch in the market regarding this. Now, you must be wondering that there are other sources also. Why should you prefer this? You're new in the market. So our answer is that we already have one candidate, or Yogendra sir here, who has appeared in MPPSC interview twice. Okay, he has already appeared in the interview twice, and after that he has a lot of experience. So we believe that we can mentor you in the right guidance, and you are going to get these three things which you won't get anywhere else. First is all the content in English. Okay, all the explanation will be in English. I mean, we might use some parts in Hindi as well, but our content will be in English. And of course, second thing that you will be getting from us is one to one attention. आजकल आप उसको mentorship भी बोल सकते हो, but if you are going to connect with us, we are going to pay utmost importance to you, utmost attention to you. You know that your queries should be resolved, and if you are facing any kind of problem, it will be with us. Third is we will try, even though we are a bit late, but we will try that we give you timely completion of whatever we have promised. For this year's maze, this might not be possible, but for all the content that we are going to give you throughout the year, this we promise that will give you a timely completion of all the things that we are promising. Okay, so for these three things we stand out from our market. Whatever sources are there in the market, for these three things you should prefer Learning Lab. Okay, so that was it, like who we are and what you can expect from us. Right now, Yogendra sir and I will be taking all the previous year questions and will be starting from today only. So you can expect all the previous year question, their sectional analysis. Okay. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हमने आपको सामने पेपर दे दिया और उस पेपर में बस नीचे उसके आंसर्स लिख दिए. वो सेक्शनल रहेंगे. सेक्शनल एज इन इकोनॉमिक्स के अलग आपको आंसर्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है, साइंस एंड टेक के आपको अलग आंसर मिलेंगे, एक योगा का सेक्शन होता है उसका आंसर आपको अलग मिलेगा, एनवायरमेंट और ज्योग्राफी का जो सेक्शन होता है उसका आंसर आपको अलग मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके के सेक्शनल एनालिसिस आपको देखने को मिल जाएंगे. तो जहां पे भी आपको डिफिकल्टी लगेगी जिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट में, वो आप जाके वहां विजिट कर सकते हो प्लेलिस्ट में. Okay, so let's see you all in the first video of economics and our history section. Thank you all for joining us. Stay curious and keep learning.